Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Google Pay app and signing into your Google account. This links transactions to your profile. Next, tap Add a Payment Method and choose Card to enter card details manually or scan with your camera. Once done, verify the card via SMS or your bank's app because this step confirms ownership and unlocks full features. Make sure to allow permissions for contacts and location when prompted so Google Pay can work reliably in stores and for peer payments. Once your card is added, you should link a bank account for transfers and bill pay. Choose your bank and follow the bank-specific flow. For some banks, you'll use OTP or in-app approval. For others, Google sends a micro-deposit to confirm ownership, which you then enter back in the app. After verification, set your preferred default card and turn on screen lock or biometric security to prevent unauthorized payments, because this protects instant tap-to-pay and P2P transfers. You finish by testing with a small purchase or sending $1 to a trusted contact to confirm everything works. This validates NFC and online payments. If you hit errors, first update Google Pay, clear the app cache, and reboot your device, then try re-adding the card because software or cache data often causes sync failures. If verification still fails, contact your bank to check holds or 3D secure blocks. They can clear flags so your Google Pay account operates normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.